What are layers? One of the many helpful tools in Photoshop for editing and working on your text, shapes, and images are layers. Layers are a collection of elements stacked one upon another, each serving a different function. There are different types of layers, but today we will just discuss some of the most commonly used layers when you create an artwork or project. First, image layer. From the word itself, image, this layer contains an image. Let us open an image in Photoshop. From there you can see the layer containing the image. Another way to create an image layer is to open a new image. Then go to Select and choose All. Next, go to Edit, and then choose Copy. Now go back to your original image. And then Edit, then choose Paste. Now you will notice that you already have two different image layers. Second is the adjustment layer. These layer attributes can be used to alter an image without causing permanent or irreversible damage. Additionally, you can still return to this layer and change the settings for upcoming or alternative usage. To do that, select your image layer, then on the bottom part of your layers window. From there you can see the adjustment layer icon. Click on it to see the different selections. Let us choose levels for now. You may adjust the slider to see the difference. If you want to go back to your main image settings, you can hide the layer by clicking the eye icon, or you may just delete the layer. Third, the fill layer. The fill layer has three different options: solid color, gradient, and pattern. Let's try the solid color. To do that, go to Layer, then New Fill Layer, and choose Solid Color. The fourth is the type layer. This layer contains type where you can edit or change the characters, size, color, and font family. To do that, select your horizontal type tool, and just click on your document. From there, you may now type in your text. I have an in-depth tutorial about type tools. Please see the link in the description below. And last is the shape layer. These shapes are in a vector-based format, meaning you can resize them without losing quality. There are different shape tools to use: rectangle, ellipse, triangle, polygon, line, and custom shape tool. Let us use the custom shape tool. To see the different types of shapes available in Photoshop, in the Tools option bar, look for Shape, and click on the arrow down to display the other shapes to use. Choose any of the shapes and just click on your document to apply it. There you have it, the most common types of layers in Photoshop. If you have any other suggestions, please share them in the comments section below. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next video, and thank you for watching.